Hello everyone, I am from TechX. Today I am going to share my idea, that is FarmLink. As we know, many of the farmers cannot afford the equipments which is required for the farming, and some of the owners has the equipment but they are not using it in non-peak season. To reduce this big gap between the farmers and owners, I have created this platform. By using this platform, I have provided the various features such as rent the farm equipments, then find workers, then find drivers, and then work planner to plan the all activities, and voice bot with the multi-language support. Let's see step by step. First, we do the sign up. Here I provided the Google sign in option. As we see, this is the farmer dashboard. In this dashboard, I have provided the multiple options such as work planner, voice assistant, find worker, work request, and booking and settings option. And here in the navbar, we have the multi-language support with the notification. Here we can see the all notifications and dashboard option with the like option. Let's see what is the work planner. In work planner, we plan the activities. And here we also support the multi-language. Let's see what is in step by step. First, here we put the city name. Here I use the Gemini API. It fetches the data and gives us the various information. And here I have provided the various options such as Kapni, Khate, Parvani, then Perni, Nangarni, and Sinchan. According to the selection, it will generate the various things or various information. In the right side, here is the chatbot which is I have
पुणे
provided.
मध्ये कापणी पीक कापणे साथी विश्लेषण एकूण गुण 100% एक्सलेंट परिस्थिती.
As we see here, all information is generated, and here I also provided the PDF option, and it will download the PDF. Here, as you see here, voice bot is also provided. It will speak and explain the all things, and you will read this all things so you can get to know how to do the things step by step. And here is the Havaman Andaz. According to the multiple selection, it will generate the response and PDF will be generated. Next is the voice assistant. In voice
नमस्कार,
assistant, we
मी
can
तुमचा
ask
शेती
anything.
सल्लागार आहे. माईकवर टॉप करा आणि मला काहीही विचारा.
Here I provided the 4 options such as Havaman Salla, Peak Margadarshan, then कीड Niyantran, and the Tractor Shifaras. And here I also provided the multi-language support. If I select any option, then it will think and it will generate the response. And here I use the Gemini API key.
Hello, esteemed farmer. Sheep of rice understanding and adapting to weather patterns is crucial for successful farming in India.
Like if I select Marathi, then I want to ask like भात शेती विषयी माहिती सांगा. He first will think and then it will generate the response. As we see here, a response is generated for the previous request. Let's see भात शेती विषयी.
नमस्कार शेतकरी बंधूंनो, धान फार्म रेंट AI असिस्टंट म्हणून महाराष्ट्रातील.
And here we can see here I also provided the chatbot to ask anything about farming, so that user can easily speak and ask anything about their farming questions. Here I also use the API so it can properly fetch the response. If I go dashboard, I see this is the equipment which is available and which is put by the owner. If I click on book in, there here option is like button. If I like this, then it will add it in the like section also, such as this. Yes, here it is added our wish list. First, let's see the booking. I click book now. And here we put the start date and end date. The new thing is here we need to enter the location. I entered the Baramati. Here we can see the weather of the Baramati, which is the excellent day for this.